I'm Marta, digital marketing consultant and creator of The Social School. Today, I'm going to show you a super powerful tool that most people don't take full advantage of, Meta's ad library. It lets you take a sneak behind the curtain of what ads your competitors are running on Facebook and Instagram. First, you're going to go to facebook.com/ads/library. Bookmark it. Trust me, you'll probably want to come back here later. From here, you can choose your country and then select the type of ads you want to see. For most small businesses, just stick with all ads. Now type in the name of a competitor, a similar brand, or even a bigger brand in your niche. I'm going to use Amy Porterfield as an example because she's a big brand in the digital marketing niche. Once you find their page, Meta will show you all the active ads that company is running. This is key though. You won't see performance data, but you will see creative copy, platform, placement, and start date. So what should you look for? Are they using video, carousel, static images? Is it more polished or raw and relatable? Messaging, what pain points are they addressing? What kind of languages are they using in the headline and the body copy? And then finally, how are they framing their call to action? Once you look at your competitors, you'll start to see a few patterns. For example, if brands are tending to run the same type of ad month after month, that's probably a good sign. And if you're in the social school, you already know that repeat ads equals potentially more profitable ads. This isn't about copying. It's about staying aware, getting inspired, and making smarter decisions with your marketing dollars. Thanks for watching. If you want more tutorials like this, or if you are ready to dive deeper into paid ads, check out my group's coaching program, The Social School. We cover this and so much more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below.